How to fix Swiggy app not working issue. Well, if your Swiggy app isn't working, first thing to do is check your internet connection, as it is a online based application, right? So you want to check your internet connection, make sure it is working. Also make sure you have toggled off any VPNs and that you have given the access for location. So once you have made sure of all of these, if your app isn't loading at all, it is not working, or you are having issues, what you can do is head into your Play Store or App Store and look for Swiggy app update and make sure your application is updated to the latest version. It can be a simple glitch or bug. Now, if you do not see the update option, you can force the update by reinstalling the application itself on both your Android or iOS. On Android, you have the option of clearing the cache and data as well. On iOS, you'll have to reinstall it. If that still doesn't help, then it can be that the server is down for a while. You might want to wait a couple of moments and then try it back again. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.